Hello, welcome to Jun's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make rolled omelette. We call 달걀말이 or 계란말이. Well, this dish is one of the most popular side dishes in Korea and also so popular for anju, food for liquor. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. These are the ingredients I'm going to use today. Eggs, carrot, and green onion. This one we call 게맛살. It looks like crab flesh, but it's actually fish cake, kind of something you can eat as it is. Well, if you open like this, you will see each small one also wrapped with plastic. Well, this is already cooked, so you can eat right away. You can use any kind of processed meat like ham or sausage instead of this. And I'm going to use 3 of these today. Break the egg and whisk like this for a while. Well, you can strain the egg to make it smooth, really, but it's a kind of home cooking. I'm going to make like this easy way. For the rolled omelette, every vegetable needs to be finely chopped. So I'm going to cut the green onion like this first. And chop as fine as you can. For carrot, I usually chop like this, slice first and finely chopped. Carrot is quite solid vegetable, so it needs to be cooked while you're making rolled omelette, so it needs to be really fine. For the fish cake, we call 게맛살, just chopped first. And it actually has so many layers inside, so just using your fingers like this, it will make into small pieces. Well, all the ingredients ready, so add some salt and mix well. Well, I think it's enough. Well, this is some kind of special pan for rolled omelette in Korea. Just a small amount of frying is okay too. After you pour the mixture, keep rolling inside, adding, rolling, that kind of procedure repeating for making rolled omelette. But, well, you don't need to have this for making rolled omelette. I will show you with normal pan. First, after heat the oil, just pour roughly half the mixture to make some kind of rectangle shape. Well, even myself, sometimes I fail to make the proper shape for rolled omelette. but just if you keep practicing, you will succeed. Anyway, after make that kind of rectangle shape, leave it for a while until the bottom part gets solid a bit, but shouldn't cook all, just bottom part, and using 2 spatula and start rolling like this. And adding the mixture at the end of the end like this. And leave it, but at the same time you also keep rolling like this. Well, some professionals insist to make the rolled egg should be yellow, not a brown color needed, but this is what I usually make for my home cooking, so it's still tasty. After rolled last, then just using the spatula to make this rolled omelette, makes a bit in a block, rectangle shape, to keep rolling and press side like this. After finished, just leave on the pan to cool it down. You can cut as you want, but I'm going to cut like this, slightly slide way. You can serve with any kind of sauce you like, but usually tomato ketchup or mayonnaise. Well, it's a little bit tricky. Rolling the egg like that on the pan and make that kind of shape, but you will get used to it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and any comment will be welcome. See you next time.